Hello and welcome to my channel. So I'm officially well again. I've gone through the works already this year, so I'm hoping that all of that is out of the way so the rest of the year can be like on point, you know? So you might be looking at me thinking, oh my god, like you look a bit weird, but actually no, to be honest, what I've recently been posting, you should be used to this by now. If you've been subscribed to me for a while, you're probably used to me looking a little bit weird. But today I decided to do a little bit of a creepy look. I feel like this is like a cool witchy vibe I'm getting, but of course you can make this into a more wearable look. You can just take away the black tears. You don't have to have a black lip, you can turn that into a nude lip, and it's a really cute glam going out look. If you would like to see how I created this creepy glam look, then make sure to keep on watching. So this makeup tutorial is inspired by Milk1422 on Instagram. This is the face chart that I'm going off of. I just really love the vibe of it. I just love it. I'll link it in the description down below. I have already done my brows, my foundation and contour and all of that. All my base is done. I have primed my eyes. I use the MAC Paint Pot in Painterly. That is a mouthful to say. I'm firstly going to be using the LaRoc 120 eyeshadow palette in summer tones. This is one layer, and then we have the second layer. I got it off of Amazon and it will be linked in the description down below, but I'm going to be using these bright pink colours here. I'm basically going to be using a fuchsia pink, a really bright pink. I've got it on a blending brush and I'm going to put it in the crease to start with. Now I have put that eyeshadow in my crease, I'm now going to be putting it on my lid as well. I'm now going to be going into this colour right here. I love it. It's basically a red. I'd say like an orangey undertoned red. But I'm going to be putting that over my lid and then blending it into my crease as well. Next I'm going into the Urban Decay Electric palette and I'm going to be using the shade Gonzo, which is this colour right here. It's just a very bright blue. I'm going to place it on the inner corner of my eye like so. I look crazy. Now I've placed that, I'm going to get this small tapered blending brush and just blend it out. I'm now going to go back to the pinks that we used on the lid and I'm going to bring it underneath the eye and just blend it out. So next I'm going to go into a black eyeshadow and I'm going to be using the Urban Decay eyeshadow Blackout. This is in the Distortion palette, but they do have this eyeshadow as a single and I'll link it in the description down below. So I'm going to be placing this black along really tight along my lash line and then I will blend it out. I'm also going to bring this a little bit on the outer corner and up onto the top lash line, just a little bit. So I went a bit crazy. I'm going to go in with a white eyeshadow and I'm going to use a pencil brush and go over the centre of where I've put that blue. So really like the inner corner, like the very inner corner, just to brighten it up a little bit. Also, to make this really reflective, I'm going to go back into the Urban Decay Distortion palette and I'm going to use this colour right here. These are basically coloured highlights. I use them on my face all the time and I'm most probably going to go into one later on. But yeah, I'm going to go in with the blue toned kind of highlighter here and it is called Space. And I'm just going to go over where I put that blue eyeshadow to really make it pop. I'm now going into the e.l.f. blush palette and I'm going to be using this one right here, I think, and then maybe going to this one. But I'm going to start with this one first. And I'm basically going to go a little bit crazy with the blusher. So it kind of goes in with the eye look as well. And then I'm going to go into the warmer one, which is here, and do the same. Now I've done that, I'm going to be going into the Distortion palette again. And like I said, I'm going to be using the pink highlight, which is down here. And it is called Blur. So I'm going to be using this as a very pink highlight. So my camera overheated, so while it was cooling down I put on some eyelashes and I used the Sephora eyelashes in number 34. I've been using these constantly recently. They're just so dense and just like, they're cute. So I finally feel myself again after being ill and I'm back to doing like normal tutorials and then my eyes are like, nah. We're going to water 24/7. So I've been touching my makeup up constantly throughout this tutorial, like in between. You won't see it, but I'm going to be lining my waterline with the MAC Kohl Power eye pencil. This is honestly my favourite eyeliner for putting in my waterline. It's my ride or die because every time I wear this, it does not budge. This looks all cute now, and honestly you could just go out like this. If you could just throw on a nude lip, and girl, this is a fierce look. I'm not lying. But as we're on this channel, we're gonna go a bit weird. We're gonna go a bit over the top, and I can say that recently I've been in such a Halloween mood. I just, well, do you know, like most people get that feeling leading up to Christmas, like that little feeling in your stomach where you get excited and you just got that Christmas feeling? So I have that excited Halloween, like butterfly feeling in my stomach practically all year round. Like, it's January, like calm yourself, Brooke. I have actually been trying to hold back on the creepy looks, so today we're gonna go a little bit creepy. I can't hold it back too much, and it's not going to be too scary, I don't think, but you would have known because you've seen it. But I'm going to go in with the Marianne MatteMeUp liquid lipstick in the shade Freak Show. If you wanted, you could just have this as a look and not go a bit creepy, but I'm going to go creepy because we already know why. So what I am going to do next is use a black face paint. This is by Snazaroo, and I'm also going to be using some nail art brushes and basically paint some black tears. So this is the final makeup look. I feel very witchy, and if I did like glam Halloween looks again, I feel like this would be one that I would do. But if you like these creepier looks, please let me know in the comments down below. And if you like this video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button to make sure you do not miss any more of my future makeup looks, whether they are creepy or pretty or, I don't know, just plain weird. Like my last video I think was just a bit out there, like I don't even know what category that would be under. But just to make sure you do not miss any more of my videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you get a notification every time I post. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.